Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cleaning foam spray is probably one of the most effective ways to keep your car looking its best. It's designed to lift away dirt, grime, and other contaminants, leaving your car with a sparkling finish. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cleaning foam sprays, exploring their benefits, how to use them, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your car. Number 5. MEGUIAR'S Gold Class Car Wash, 1 gallon. Tired of complicated car washes? This car wash soap simplifies your routine. It combines cleaning and conditioning into one easy step, saving you time and effort. This advanced formula not only cleans your car effectively but also protects it. It's gentle enough to preserve any existing wax protection, so you don't have to choose between cleanliness and protection. Experience the ultimate clean with this eco-friendly car wash soap. Its biodegradable formula creates powerful suds that easily remove dirt and grime. It will leave your car looking its best. Say goodbye to dull paint. This car wash uses paint conditioners to leave the surface looking radiant and renewed. Your car will be ready for anything. This car wash is versatile and can be used in a bucket or with a foam gun. Simply dilute it before using it with a foam cannon for a professional level clean. It's easy to use. What we like. This car wash soap combines cleaning and conditioning in one step, saving you time and effort. It's also gentle enough to preserve your car's wax protection. If you're looking for a product that simplifies your car cleaning routine while maintaining your car's shine, this is a great choice. What people say. Lasts a long time and works great in a foam gun. A little bit is more than enough to wash my truck, leaving it very clean. Gold Class produces a nice thick lather, or when I dilute it down for my foam cannon, a nice thick foam. Number 4. Chemical Guy's TORQ Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun. Make car cleaning fast, easy, and fun for the entire family. This foam wash gun easily connects to any standard garden hose, creating a foamy cleaning experience that leaves cars sparkling. Car wash foam is a professional secret for a scratch-free finish. This product turns your car wash into a foam bubble bath, gently removing dirt and contaminants without grinding them into your paintwork, ensuring a flawless, damage-free finish. Over 95% of swirls and scratches come from improper washing techniques. By applying slick car wash foam, it reduces the risk of swirls and scratches, offering a safer way to clean your car and keep the paintwork protected. Easily adjust the foam concentration to suit your car's level of dirt. Whether it's lightly soiled or heavily dirty, simply turn the dial to control the dilution ratio, saving soap and water while achieving optimal foam coverage for cleaning. Looking for the perfect gift this holiday season? This foam wash gun makes car cleaning fun and easy. Ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion, this gift is sure to delight car enthusiasts with its foam wash power and simplicity. What we like. This foam wash gun makes car cleaning fast, easy, and fun for the whole family. It creates a foamy bubble bath, gently removing dirt and contaminants. If you want to make car washing a fun activity while protecting your car's paint, you should consider this. What people say. The foam spray effectively cleans car interiors. It is designed for easy application. The product has good cleaning function. Number 3. Chemical Guy's HOL 126 Car Wash Kit. This kit is the perfect gift for any car enthusiast. It contains everything needed to clean and maintain a beautiful shine on any car or truck. It's a great way to show someone you care. Cleaning your car should be fun, and this kit makes it easy. The tools included make cleaning your car fast and fun for the entire family. You'll love the results. Elevate your car care with the professional detailing tools in this kit. It has everything you need to get that perfect shine. This will make your car look its best. Car lovers choose Chemical Guys for a reason. They offer the finest car care products and world-class customer support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. The foam gun hooks up to any standard hose. No additional tools or machines are required. Get ready for a foamy cleaning experience with this product. What we like. This kit is the ultimate collection of car wash supplies, the perfect gift for any car buff. It has everything you need to keep the exterior of your car looking great. If you're looking for a comprehensive car wash kit that's also a great gift, this is the one. What people say. Everything is what I expected and all the stuff works great. The bucket works well for use as the soap and water bucket when washing a car. All products can be stored inside the bucket when it is not being used for washing a car. Easy to use and puts a shine to your car. Number 2. Chemical Guys HOL 169 Car Wash Kit. This kit is the perfect gift for any car enthusiast. It includes everything needed to keep any car looking its best, making it a gift that keeps on giving. Cleaning your car can be fun and easy with this kit. It has all the tools you need to make the exterior of your car shine, and the whole family can enjoy it. This kit, HOL 169, differs from the Max kit by including 4 additional chemicals. This kit focuses on exterior detailing, while the Max kit also includes interior cleaning products. Chemical Guys is a brand loved by car enthusiasts worldwide. They offer top-quality car care products and excellent customer support, representing a lifestyle for car lovers. The included foam cannon easily connects to your pressure washer for foamy cleaning action. Unlike the HOL 148 kit, this one features a TORQ foam cannon instead of a foam gun. What we like. This kit is the ultimate collection of car wash supplies, and is the gift that keeps on giving for any car buff. It has everything you need to keep the exterior of your car looking great. If you are looking for a comprehensive car wash kit that works with a pressure washer, this is the one. What people say. The foam spray effectively cleans car interiors. It is designed for easy application. The product has good cleaning function. Number 1. SwiftJet Foam Gun and Microfiber Wash Mitt. Car professionals know that foam helps to remove dirt and grime, preventing scratches. This foam gun turns any car wash into a foaming bubble party, keeping your car's paint and chrome in great condition. Make car washing a fun game for your family. This easy-to-use pressure washer will excite your kids. Just attach it to your garden hose and it's ready to go. No extra equipment is needed, just attach, spray, and start having fun. The incoming water mixes with air and your soap solution to create the perfect car wash foam. Use the 6-level foam ratio adjuster to control the bubbles. You can increase the foam for especially dirty cars. Improper car washing can scratch your car's paint. With this foam sprayer gun, you can get a spot-free clean without causing any damage. It connects easily to any garden hose. We want you to love this product. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will make it right. We are only happy when our customers are happy. What we like. This foam gun turns any car wash into a foaming bubble party, keeping your paintwork and chrome bling intact. It is easy to use and connects to any garden hose. If you like a fun and easy way to wash your car, this is the one for you. What people say. This spray washer made quick work of washing my big F250. It really lays down the foam just like a car wash and uses a lot less soap than a bucket and brush wash, not to mention the speed of when it's all done. Build quality is excellent and I have had 0 leaks or issues after using it a few dozen times. It attaches easily to my garden hose and produces thick, rich foam that clings to the car, helping to lift dirt without scratching the paint. It makes the entire washing process faster, more efficient, and honestly a lot more enjoyable. The adjustable settings are great for controlling the soap-to-water ratio, and the build quality feels sturdy and long-lasting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.